Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netflix on Xfinity Flex. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate Netflix on your Xfinity Flex, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Turn on your Xfinity Flex box and allow it to boot up completely. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen of your Flex device. From the home screen, scroll down to find the Apps section. Select Apps to open the Applications menu. Look for the Netflix app in the list of available applications. If you don't see Netflix, you can search for it using the search function at the top of the screen. Once you find the Netflix app, click on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. After the installation is complete, go back to the home screen. Select the Netflix app to open it. You will be prompted to sign in to your Netflix account. Enter your Netflix email address and password using the on-screen keyboard. If you don't have a Netflix account, you can sign up directly through the app. After signing in, you may be asked to agree to the terms of service. Once agreed, you should see the Netflix homepage. Now you can start browsing and streaming your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy your viewing experience on Xfinity Flex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.